In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use on MacBook Pro. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are using a MacBook Pro or even any other model like a MacBook Air, you can type the symbol by default. So to type this symbol, of course, you need to do it on any valid text field. So make sure that you have a text field selected. Usually you will see an underline like this indicating that you can type something. And when you are in the text field, all that you have to do is first hold the shift key, and then while holding shift, press number 2. So again, hold shift and then press 2 on your keyboard. Immediately upon doing this on the text field, you will see the symbol appear. So it's as simple as pressing 2 while holding shift. Keep in mind that if this doesn't work, it could be a difference with the specific keyboard or language region that you are using. You can try other combinations. One that works for a lot of people is Alt-GR. So if for whatever reason Shift does not work, you can try using Alt-GR instead. Simply hold this button and then press 2 like I mentioned. It's either going to be Shift for most people or Alt-GR or something else. So try Alt-GR and the G key as well. And as long as you use either Shift or Alt-GR and then 2 or G, you will be able to get the symbol. If it doesn't appear, make sure that you have highlighted a valid text field. Of course, you need to be able to type something in the selection, and as long as they accept characters like the symbol, it should appear immediately. This will be done natively on any MacBook device, and you can do the same for, like I said, most models. Just hold Shift or other modifier keys like Alt-GR and then press 2 or G, depending on the specific keyboard that you are using. If it doesn't work, make sure that all the buttons on your keyboard are set up correctly. I hope I was able to help you on how to use on MacBook Pro. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.